Reconciling payouts can feel confusing when transaction dates, payout dates, and bank deposits don't line up. Roller payments reports help you understand what was processed, what was paid out, and why the numbers look the way they do, so you can reconcile deposits with confidence. In this video, you'll learn how to reconcile roller payouts by working backwards from your bank deposits, understanding settlement timing and processing fees. All roller payments reports live inside Venue Manager. From Venue Manager, go to Reports, then search for Payments. These reports work together to help you reconcile deposits, investigate transactions, and understand cash flow. Let's start with a common scenario. Your bank shows a deposit for $12,000, but your weekend sales were higher than that and the numbers don't immediately match. This is where reconciliation starts, from the bank deposit, not from individual transactions. The Roller Payments Payout Export is your primary reconciliation report. Each row represents a transaction date, and each column represents a payout date. Start by finding the payout date that matches your bank deposit. This payout date shows when Roller initiated the transfer, not when it arrived in your bank. Most payouts follow a consistent weekday pattern, unless there's a federal holiday. For example, transactions processed on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday are grouped together and paid out on Tuesday. So if you're reviewing weekend sales and see the payout land on Tuesday, that's expected. After payout initiation, allow 1 to 2 additional business days for the funds to reach your bank account. Most venues use daily net settlement. That means roller payments fees are deducted before funds are paid out. In the payout export, you'll see funds received, payment fees, funds paid out. Your funds received minus payment fees should equal your funds paid out, unless there are additional adjustments. You may also see adjustments, such as a reserve amount, which is deducted on the day of your first payout and temporarily held to help manage risk. This explains why your payout is often less than total payments processed. If you need to understand which payments make up a payout, move to the Roller Payments Transactions report. This report shows individual transactions, including payment method, channel, status. Here, you can follow the full payment lifecycle of each transaction, seeing when a payment was authorized and when it was successfully paid out. Because this report is based on transaction dates, not payout dates, the totals for a selected period won't always match the payout amount shown in the payout export. The Payments Daily Summary gives you a day-by-day overview. Use it to monitor transaction volumes, track refunds and chargebacks, review authorization success. For example, you might receive a monthly invoice from Roller Payments outlining the fees you've been charged. How do you know those amounts are accurate? The Payments Daily Summary report helps you validate this by showing transaction volume by payment method, transaction counts, authorized quantity, and authorized amount. If you're on net settlement, you can also see the total fees deducted each day. These metrics can be used to cross-check your monthly fee and tax statement, while also giving you a clear day-by-day view of performance. Each payments report answers a different question. Use payout reports to reconcile bank deposits. Use transaction-level reports to investigate details. Use daily summaries for reconciling the processing fees you're charged. You can also view the monthly tax and fee statement to tie it all together, by explaining the monthly adjustments you'll see reflected in payout reports. Together, these reports remove guesswork from reconciliation. You've just learned how to reconcile payouts by working backwards from your bank deposits, understanding settlement timing and processing fees. You're ready to reconcile revenue accurately, investigate discrepancies, and stay confident in your cash flow.